In 251, they give us a table and they want us to write the equation for the line, right? So again, we're writing an equation for a line, so it's in the form y equals mx plus b. B is when the x value is 0. That's the y-intercept. So right here, we found the b. There's the b. When x is 0, the y value is the y-intercept. So now I need the slope. So what I can do, since they give us nice values, they're adding 1 every time in the x direction, right? Plus 1, sorry. Now we can find what's happening in the y. So from 5 to 1, we're subtracting 4. From 1 to -3, we're subtracting 4. And from -3 to -7, we're subtracting 4. So the -4 is the slope. So now I can just write the equation. Y equals m, which is -4x, plus b, and b is -3. So I don't write plus -3, I just write -3. So the equation of this line that's represented by the table is y equals -4x minus 3.